This is Voice Notebook, which I use to turn my speech into text. I dictate to it and it writes down what I say, as you can see. Now, if I press the download button here, it's copied my text into that new document there. If I bring this in, you can see what I'm saying. That simple text document is saved in my download folder here. I think that's probably that one there. So I've got all of these files. They're all very small, so I keep as many as I like. But if I want to search for anything, that's something I wrote the other day. It's impossible, really. I'd like them all in one document, and I've done it. These are questions I've answered before. So now I've got all the text gathered into one document, and that's what I was aiming for. Why, you might ask? Well, it appears that ChatGPT can use my work to base its observations on. I'm not sure how to do that yet, but I just wanted to test to see if I could start bringing what I'd said together in one place, and hey presto, it worked. I'll just show you how I did that. I'll post a link to this voice note software somewhere so you can have a go with it yourself if you like, but I'm going to close it now. I better download that, hadn't I? So, you probably guessed, I asked the question of ChatGPT. I said I've got lots of folders, they're here, and their name format is this. Using Python, I would like to extract each text document, place it in a text file, like with paragraphs, and have it headed with the file name it was extracted from. And ChatGPT came up with this code, which I placed into Visual Studio. I'm still not happy with Visual Studio. I just find it awkward to use, but I think it's practice. Anyway, I think it's because it does so much. Anyway, that was the code. I run the code and it generated the file, the output file, which I just opened and showed you. I could have done this myself. I could have searched the internet and found the code, but it's just minutes to do. Well, I reckon prattling around it'd be at least a couple of hours, maybe 4 hours. I don't know, but anyway, I thought you'd like to see that. I'll post the code and a link to the ChatGPT where it developed the code for me. So if you want to ask it any further questions, again, I'm not sure if it works for other people. I'd be glad of some feedback to say if it does, or if I'm wasting my time posting the link. All right, cheers.